Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. We got one more day until the weekend. This week flew by. So, what am I out here doing? If y'all go to Costco, $1.79 for 16 pounds. If you go to the McDonald's or Fry's or Sprouts or Walmart, they all are over $2 for 7 pounds, I believe, of ice. So I got 2 bags of these 16 pounds for $1.79 at Costco. But anywho, yesterday ended off really good. My stomach, while I got y'all here looking at my freezer, my stomach did end up feeling better some hours later. I want to say I went and started cooking about 7:30. About 6:30, 7 o'clock, I got up and made some chicken tenders with the lemon cream sauce. I was hungry by then. I was able to eat. I could have ate the whole pack, but I didn't want to take more than I was going to eat. And then my son wanted the rest. He made him a little chicken salad. So I just made me a Keto Chow coffee with chocolate peanut butter. And that was it for the rest of the night, and I was good. I did fall asleep earlier than normal. I don't remember what time I fell asleep, but I know it was earlier than normal. And I woke up, I was up off and on from about 3 o'clock because it was thundering like mad here. My gosh, it sounded like bombs was going off. And the last loud thunder, that thing was like boom. I was like, good Lord, somebody's house blow up? And that kind of just woke me up, and it was closer to 5. And so I just been up since then, just kind of like browsing the internet, praying, you know, things of that nature. So I am going to get up and eat breakfast. It's going to be simple because I don't want my stomach to hurt like yesterday. I don't know why my stomach reacted like that. Only thing that I could think of is that it was just a change. For years, I've just naturally intermittent fasted, where I didn't do breakfast or lunch. I really didn't eat until well after between 5 and 8 o'clock. But again, I would be up late. So sometimes I would be still eating like 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. I would have like a snack or something. So, yeah, I don't know. But let me get my, I'm getting out 2 packages of chicken tenders just so I have something that's more light. And I'm going to take 2 packs out just in case my son wants some. If he don't, then I could put them away and eat them, you know, another day. I do have an order coming in, a meat order coming in from, what is the name of that company? I'll think of it in a minute. So the company is called Billy Doe Meats. That's what I got. I will do a separate video on unboxing that. It's my first time ordering anything from Billy Doe Meats, but today I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm supposed to have peppermint, not spearmint. But anyways, I'm gonna cook up the rest of these quail eggs. They're from Inspire Farms. And it's not 2 dozen in here. It's only 12. I don't know why they put it 2 dozen. Maybe they sell them in 2 dozen. And that's all the labels that they had. I'm gonna finish up the rest of those. I made, I fixed 6 of them yesterday. And they taste just like little chicken eggs. And then I'm gonna do probably 2 regular chicken eggs. These are my supplements I take. It's Pure Response from Pure Encapsulations. I was looking for something that would give me all of the stuff that I need for the day, plus vitamins D3 and K2. I'll get this to focus. So this is everything that's in this. I like this company is because their stuff is clean. They don't sell stuff that have a lot of fillers and things in it. So this is what I take. And this is my first time trying this particular one. Like I said, I don't want to take 1,000 supplements, but I need vitamins D3 and K2. My vitamin D is really low, so I'm gonna cook. I'm just gonna have eggs and some tea. This is the brand that I use, Traditional Medicinals. And I only really use that brand because they were known and tested for not having a bunch of chemicals and fillers and bugs and this and that in their tea, like a lot of the other teas that you buy on shelf and the ones that come by weight as well. So this is one of the only teas that I really use. So let me fix my food and I'll pick y'all up in a minute. Oh, this is my eggs. I got 6 quail eggs and 2 regular chicken eggs in here. I use 2.5 tablespoons of butter. So, and then I have my tea right here. I put in my tea 2 drops of Keto Chow electrolytes and 2 drops of Lugol's iodine, 2%. And then I got my vitamin capsules right here. You have to take those with meals. So that's what I'm going to do. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye. So here is my second meal of the day. It's a little bit after 3. And I don't know, it's about 13 pieces of chicken in here. I'm gonna say 13 wings because they split in half. They're like wingettes. So it's like 13 pieces in here. And so I put a little bit of red hot sauce on here. And just seasoned with some adobo, paprika, and Redmond's sea salt. I had 2 packages of chicken wings. So on one package, I put lemon pepper on there. And in the second pack, I just made plain with adobo, Redmond sea salt, and sweet paprika. And I used my Wagyu beef tallow to fry it in. So I'm gonna dig into this food and I'm gonna get back with y'all later. I'm still feeling good. No complaints, my stomach is straight. I have some Sans Pellegrino sparkling water with 2 dropperfuls of Keto Chow electrolytes and a piece of lemon wedge in here. So that's it. See y'all later. What's up, LashawnTerry gang? I got my Keto Chow order with my electrolytes and magnesium. I didn't know they had the electrolytes in this big of a container, as I would have been ordering this and ordering the magnesium in this size. I ordered the magnesium in the big size, and you have that for months. And then I got these electrolyte tablets for when I just want to take one and I don't have to put anything in my water or anything like that. But y'all know I am an affiliate of Keto Chow, and I have a code LashawnTerry to use at checkout. It never expires. And I always put the link to the website in my videos comments. In all of my videos, in the comment is pinned the link to Keto Chow and the discount code for 10% off your orders. Peace. What's up, gang gang? So I'm just breaking my fast. It's I don't know what time it is. It's a little after, it's 3:13. I'm just breaking my fast for today. I'm not hungry, but I could eat something type of deal. And I have to get 3 meals in today, so this is my first that I'm gonna get in. I don't think I'm gonna do a Keto Chow today, so I'm gonna try to get 3 meals in 3 or something in. So this is beef bacon with 3 chicken eggs and 6 quail eggs. I cooked the quail eggs in with the chicken eggs, except for this one separated. That's the quail egg. And 2 tablespoons of butter. That's what you see on there is the butter I poured in from cooking my eggs. And I got some San Pellegrino sparkling water with 3 dropperfuls of my Keto Chow electrolytes, 2 drops of my Lugol's iodine, and a lemon wedge squeezed in. And so, let me show y'all. This is my sparkling water with a lemon wedge and electrolytes that I'm gonna drink after I eat. So I will be back with dinner.